As part of the graphical analysis, first we'll go through the histograms. These are most commonly used graphical representations. Histograms can be used for both univariate and bivariate analysis. So to draw or to bring out the histograms, we are using the cbarn as SNS here, and then the cbarn package, and then we are trying to bring the histoplot x equal to salary. The salary is being put under the histograms. So this salary is drawn from the or retrieved from the data equal to df. Df is the data frame which we initially downloaded the data or imported the pd dot. It is read from the CSV employees.csv. Okay, from there we are counting how many times it is happening. So in intention of the histogram is that we will get the frequency distribution of that particular, and depending upon the how many times, like the 40,000, whoever having this 40,000 as salary, those are like more than 80 or 90 people are there, and then the who are having 60,000 or 50,000 are having some again close to 80. So like that, who are having a 1,40,000 as a salary, and they are shown as some 80 people, and here there are people 1,30,000 or something like that, they are having some 70 count is there. So this is how we get the frequency distribution, or understanding how many or each money salary count, right, who is taking. So this can be replaced with other variables, and then can be compared accordingly. We need to understand which is the best way to represent which component or which variable. Okay,